Embedding YouTube videos on your webpage is like adding a turbocharger to your content. It's a simple yet highly effective way to enhance the user experience and make your site more dynamic. Videos can convey information quickly and effectively, capturing the viewer's attention in a way that text alone often cannot. This is especially important in today's fast-paced digital world, where users have short attention spans and are constantly bombarded with information. It makes your website more engaging and improves your search engine rankings. When users find your content engaging, they are more likely to stay longer, interact more, and even share your content with others. This increased engagement can lead to a snowball effect, where more and more people visit your site, further boosting your visibility and credibility. Videos are a powerful tool for capturing attention and keeping visitors on your site longer. They can explain complex topics in an easy-to-understand manner, provide visual and auditory stimulation, and create an emotional connection with the audience. This is why educational content, tutorials, and product demonstrations are so effective when delivered through video. When people spend more time on your site, it sends positive signals to search engines, indicating that your content is valuable and relevant. Search engines like Google use various metrics to determine the quality of a web page, and user engagement is a key factor. Longer session times suggest that users find your content useful and worth their time, which can lead to higher rankings in search results. Moreover, embedding YouTube videos can directly boost your SEO. YouTube is owned by Google, and videos hosted on YouTube are often given preferential treatment in search results. By embedding these videos on your site, you are leveraging the power of YouTube's SEO to benefit your own website. When search engines crawl your web page and see an embedded video, they recognize it as high-quality, engaging content. This can improve your site's overall SEO score, making it more likely to appear in top search results. Additionally, videos can generate backlinks, as other sites may link to your video content, further enhancing your SEO. This can lead to higher rankings in search results, making it easier for people to find your website. In summary, embedding YouTube videos is a multifaceted strategy that not only enriches the user experience, but also provides significant SEO benefits. By making your content more engaging and easier to find, you can attract more visitors, keep them on your site longer, and ultimately achieve your online goals more effectively. Before you can embed a YouTube video, you need to find the right one for your web page. This might seem straightforward, but finding the perfect video can make a significant difference in how your content is received. The right video can enhance your message, making it more engaging and informative for your audience. The video should be relevant to your content and add value for your audience. It should complement the information you are providing and help to illustrate your points more clearly. Think about what your audience would find useful or entertaining. Consider the topic of your web page and the message you want to convey. Are you trying to educate, entertain, or inspire your audience? The video you choose should align with your goals and enhance the overall experience for your visitors. You can use YouTube's search bar to find videos related to your topic. Start by entering broad keywords and then narrow them down based on the results you get. This will help you find the most relevant videos more efficiently. Use specific keywords to narrow down your search results. For instance, if your web page is about a specific aspect of a broader topic, include those details in your search. This will help you find videos that are more closely aligned with your content. For example, if your web page is about baking a chocolate cake, search for chocolate cake recipe tutorial instead of just chocolate cake. This will give you more targeted results, making it easier to find a video that fits perfectly with your content. Additionally, consider the length and quality of the video. A well-produced video that is concise and to the point will keep your audience engaged and more likely to stay on your page longer. Once you've found the perfect YouTube video, it's time to grab the Embed code. This code is a snippet of HTML that tells your web page how to display the video. Underneath the video player, you'll see a share button. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear with different sharing options. One of these options is Embed. Click on the Embed tab, and you'll see the Embed code. The embed code is a short piece of HTML code that looks intimidating, but it's actually quite simple. It starts with a tag and ends with a tag. The code within these tags tells your web page where to fetch the video from, the size of the video player, and other settings. You don't need to understand every single part of the code to embed a video. The important thing is to copy the entire code snippet from to Section 5. Embedding the video into your web page. In this section, we will guide you through the process of embedding a video into your web page, making it accessible and engaging for your audience. Now comes the easy part, embedding the video into your web page. This step is crucial as it allows your content to be more dynamic and interactive, capturing the attention of your visitors. Most website builders and content management systems have a visual editor and an HTML editor. The visual editor is user-friendly and ideal for those who prefer a more intuitive approach, while the HTML editor offers more control and flexibility for those comfortable with coding. You can embed the video using either editor. The choice depends on your comfort level and the specific requirements of your website. Both methods are effective and will achieve the same result. If you're using the visual editor, look for an option to insert a video or embed code. This option is usually easy to find and is designed to streamline the embedding process. This option is usually represented by a video camera icon or a film strip icon. These icons are universally recognized and make the process straightforward, even for beginners. Clicking on this icon will open a window where you can paste the embed code. The embed code is a snippet of HTML that allows the video to be displayed on your web page. If you're using the HTML editor, simply paste the embed code where you want the video to appear on your web page. This method gives you precise control over the placement and appearance of the video, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with your content. After embedding the video, it's important to preview your web page to ensure the video is displayed correctly. This step helps you catch any issues before your audience sees them. You may also want to adjust the video settings, such as the size, alignment, and autoplay options, to enhance the viewing experience. These settings can usually be found in the same window where you pasted the embed code. Once you're satisfied with the video placement and settings, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that the video will be live and viewable by your audience. Finally, check how the video looks on different devices, such as smartphones and tablets. Ensuring your video is responsive and looks good on all devices is key to providing a great user experience. By following these steps, you can easily embed a video into your web page, making your content more engaging and interactive. Happy embedding! Section 6. Customizing your embedded video. YouTube allows you to customize the appearance of your embedded video to some extent. You can adjust the size of the video player, choose whether to show related videos at the end, and more. You'll notice some customization options within the embed code itself. For example, you can change the width and height values to adjust the video player's size. Experiment with these settings to see how they affect the appearance of your embedded video. Section 7. Introduction to Schema Markup. Now that you know how to embed YouTube videos, let's take it a step further with Schema Markup. Schema Markup is like adding subtitles to your website for search engines. It helps them understand your content better and display it more accurately in search results. Think of it as speaking directly to search engines in their language. By using Schema Markup, you provide them with additional context about your content, making it easier for them to categorize and rank your web page. Section 8. Implementing Video Schema Markup. Specifically for videos, there's a type of schema markup called Video Object. This markup allows you to tell search engines the name of the video, its description, the thumbnail URL, and more. You can add Video Object Schema Markup to your web page's HTML code. It might seem complex, but there are online generators that can create the markup for you. You simply need to provide the relevant information about your video. Section 9. Benefits of using Schema Markup for embedded videos. Adding Schema Markup to your embedded YouTube videos offers numerous SEO benefits. It can enhance your search engine visibility, leading to higher rankings and more organic traffic. When search engines understand your video content better, they can create richer snippets for your web page in search results. These richer snippets, often including the video thumbnail, can attract more clicks, driving more traffic to your website.